Hi, it's Kay. I'm gonna introduce myself with some videos and photos. First of all, thanks for joining Japanese Host Mom YouTube. I have started sharing Japanese songs for you with a little explanation, so you might get used to natural Japanese words, I hope.
これ何に入れようとしてたっけ？この生姜。
これこしてみたい。
可愛い。
やってる。熱いよ。
動画撮って
レモン汁。
煙出るな、やっぱ。
今日はナスとレンコンのかば焼き丼です。
すごいでしょ。やつが1枚だけど。
でもいい気がする。今日は丼でいいよね。スーパー足りてる？食べましょう。私たちが
そうそうそう。
西が多い。西が多い。これじゃあ買ってくれ。これちょっとなんでいける？
Okay, now it's about me. I just love to communicate with foreigners, and of course, I love to support Japanese to learn English. Yeah, English for us Japanese is very difficult. I tried hard only a little while when I was young. So after that, stopped doing hard, just enjoying English. No more new difficult grammar for me. So I hope non-English speaker also understand my simple English. I try to use simple one, especially for this YouTube. So I'm sharing what I have done for my friends learning Japanese through Japanese or English songs, little things from my daily life. So I'm not professional YouTuber or singer, but I'm doing this like your host mother. I hope some of my video will be your tips for learning Japanese. ありがとう。またね。